Meaning of locally.
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 Locally. The term locally refers to something that happens, exists, or is focused on a specific geographic area or region. It is used to describe events or circumstances that are limited in scope and affect only a specific location. For example, a local news story would focus on events that occur only within a certain city or state, while a local business would operate in a specific community or neighborhood. The term locally can also refer to aspects of something that are specific to a certain location, as in the case of locally sourced foods or products.